साथियों, आज सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास ये मंत्र देश के हर हिस्से, हर नागरिक के विश्वास का मंत्र बन चुका है। आज देश के हर जन, हर क्षेत्र को लग रहा है कि उस तक सरकार पहुंच रही है और वो भी देश के विकास में भागीदार है। हमारे जनजातीय क्षेत्रों में भी आज ये आत्मविश्वास में भली भांति उसमें एक नई ताकत आई है और मैं इसको देख पा रहा। आदिवासी अंचलों में मूल सुविधाएं तो आज पहुंच ही रही हैं, बल्कि इन क्षेत्रों के लिए विशेष योजनाओं के तहत भी काम किया जा रहा है।
With full commitment to social justice and empowerment, Modi government has taken up various measures to empower the underprivileged and marginalized sections of the society. Empowerment through education and skill development is opening up the path towards progress and dignified living for the socially backward communities. Rupees 59,000 crore post-matric scholarship for scheduled caste students during 2020-21 with a 5% annual increase each year is a huge step towards increased access to education. For the tribal community, rupees 1,830 crore have been earmarked for post-matric scholarships during the pandemic. Government has also kept the target of setting up 750 Ekalavya model residential schools in tribal areas. The government's flagship schemes such as Stand Up India and Mudra is boosting entrepreneurial spirit among the weaker sections of the society. The Ambedkar Social Innovation and Incubation Mission under Venture Capital Fund for SCs is helping promote innovation and enterprise among SC youth through various schemes such as Garib Nawaz Employment Scheme, Seekho aur Kamao, Nai Manzil, Ustad, Nai Roshni. Youth from minority communities are being imparted skill development training. Also, several Hunar Haat programs have been organized, providing employment opportunities to artisans, craftsmen, and traditional culinary experts. The Modi government has also introduced Pradhan Mantri Van Dhan Yojana, a market-linked tribal entrepreneurship development program to form tribal self-help groups and strengthen them to become tribal producer companies. Several items are added to minor forest producers, and freedom has been given to the states for fixing the MSP at 10% above or below the MSP rate decided by the Union Ministry. Legally too, socially backward communities have been empowered. Fast-track courts have been set up to provide speedy justice under SC/ST Atrocities Act. Setting a stage for social empowerment, Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016 was passed, replacing the earlier law. In order to ensure that no one is left behind, the law defines disability based on an evolving and dynamic concept and increases types of disabilities from 7 to 21. Securing more opportunities to Divyangs, reservation in vacancies in government establishments has been increased from 3% to 4% for certain persons or class of persons with benchmark disability. Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Act 2019 has been passed. It defines transgender person and extends health insurance for transgender person, makes provisions relating to inclusive education, and constitutes the National Commission of Transgender Persons. The past 1 year has been difficult for the workers, and the Modi government is standing with Shram Yogis in tough times. In short, people and their family members in case of being infected with COVID-19 can avail free of cost medical care in any of the 21 ESIC hospitals and 26 ESI scheme hospitals run by state governments having exclusive COVID facilities. The Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 has also been passed. It grants citizenship to persecuted religious minorities from Afghanistan, Pakistan and Bangladesh and ensures a life of dignity for them. Amendments in the POCSO Act 2012 introduces death penalty for sexual offences against children. All these actions clearly show how the Modi government remains committed to social justice and is leaving no stone unturned to create a just and socially empowered society.